As a spouse of a military member, you've likely sacrificed a lot over the years, both during the times that your spouse is just relocated from one duty station to another, as well as the times that he or she may have been deployed. So one of the things you want to make sure you discuss with your attorney and that you outline has been your ability to obtain employment and maintain that employment during the time that your spouse has been in the military. If you're close to the 20-year mark where your spouse has served in the military for 20 years, you may want to consider hanging on for a little while longer because they're not vested in that retirement until they hit the 20-year mark. And so in order to ensure that you're going to obtain some portion of his or her military retirement, you may want to hold on a little while longer. Also, though, you've got to have been married to your military member for at least 10 years. So you've got the 20 years that they've been in the military, and that's going to overlap with 10 years that the two of you have been married. Another consideration is how often has your spouse been deployed or has had to relocate, and what impact has that had on your children? How many times have they had to be uprooted and move to a new area and start all over? That's something you're going to want to consider, how that's going to impact your children going forward once the divorce is final. And finally, one thing that a lot of people forget about is the survivor benefit plan that's part of your spouse's benefit package that's related to your retirement possibility of being given part of their retirement. The survivor benefit plan allows you to continue to get a certain amount of his or her retirement after their death. If you fail to secure that for yourself upon your spouse's death, they may have named someone else as a survivor benefit plan beneficiary, and then you won't get any more money once they have passed. So you want to make sure that it's guaranteed that you're going to be the beneficiary of that plan.